Super Decoder, how to play. The object of the game is to solve the 4-digit code within 7 attempts. Set the side hint button to either indicate direct or indirect hints. Direct hints light up directly below the color. Green means that color is in the correct position. White means that color is in the wrong position. And blank means that color is not correct anywhere. Indirect hints will light up the 4 dots on the side. A green dot means one of the 4 colors is correct and in the right position. A white dot means one of the 4 colors is correct but in the wrong position. And a blank dot means that one of the 4 colors is not correct. The bottom color range indicates which colors are available to be used in each level. Each color may only be used once with no repeats or blanks. Twist the knob to cycle between colors. Short press to move to the next. Long press to submit your guess. Rotate the telebutton at the top to turn the game on. 1 antenna is for solo mode, while 2 is for duo mode. In solo mode, you are playing against the computer and start the match with limited information. The number screen will display what level you are on. In duo mode, one person sets the puzzle, then picks a time limit in seconds. Then, the next person must figure out the code within the time limit. Using logic and deduction, figure out the hidden code. To mute the sounds, as the unit is turning on, immediately long press the twist button. To change levels, as the unit is turning on, immediately short press the twist button.